Welcome everybody to the Merchants Bank Credit Card Scorecard Rewards site. In this video, we will show you how to use the Redeem to Erase points option for your credit card. In the top left corner of the Scorecard Rewards site, after you log in, you will see your points available. Right below that, there is a drop-down menu called Shop Rewards. Go ahead and click the arrow. And in the second column, you'll see Redeem to Erase. You'll want to go ahead and click that. And then the next page that comes up, go ahead and click the Redeem to Erase logo icon that pops up in the box there. Here we will see a short description on Redeem to Erase. You will see here that in Redeem to Erase, you can go back and essentially erase transactions that happened on your account. It's the last 25 transactions, and you can do transactions over $20 and under $1,000. So between $20 and $1,000 is what you have to do. At this point, any transactions under $20 are not able to be redeemed, but anything between those two amounts you sure can. When you click Go to Transactions, it will bring up a transaction page for you, and you will see your transactions down below that you have available to be able to erase. On the right side here, you'll notice that there's an erase column. If it's grayed out and gives you a little circle with a line through it, it means that it is not eligible to be erased. And it'll even give you a little message here that says purchase must be at least $20 to be eligible. So what you need to do is find one that has color to it and is over $20 and under $1,000. And so we'll go ahead and pick this one here for Apple iTunes for $21.35. We just go ahead and click on the colored icon on the right side, and it brings up this message. And what this message shows you is that it is giving you another time here to read what you're doing here as far as erasing the transaction. Down below here, it'll show you it starts you at 2,000 points, which is the minimum of $20. You can certainly slide this to move it up to the total purchase price, which happens to be $21.35 on this one. Or if you want to do a smaller amount, 21, or let's go $20.60, if those were the points you had, that would be where you would slide this to. It will not allow you to do more points than you have. So once you're done with that, you go ahead and pick what you want and click the Erase button that is down at the bottom of the page here. This says Erase right down here. Once you click Erase, it gives you a message saying amount to erase. Okay, $20 has been used. You click OK, and you're done. And then in this part here, it shows you that your amount that you went to erase is telling you $20 was erased on such and such date at this time. That's it. You have erased a transaction. You will see it on your statement within 1 to 2 business days of doing the erase, and it'll come through as a credit. So now that you know how to erase your transactions, you can certainly come in here and look for more if you want. Again, it's $20 is 2,000 points, so you can look at it about a penny per point when you're coming in here to erase the transactions. When you're done, certainly feel free to click log out and log out of your transaction history and your scorecard site.